It's been raining for the whole week, so I just went grabbed some new gear. So this bag gonna hold all my rig. I'm gonna tie ahead and put in here. Got these for $10. The last one at Walmart. I got a zipper here and clear. You can see through. See-through zipper here too. Also got a second fish rod holder for $3.99 at Academy. Pretty good deal. I like that rod holder. And I got some fish bite. I fished with my brother in the last video, and these seem to be work pretty well. So I'm gonna try this too. I got it from Academy for like $5.99 for the pink one, and this one is $6.29 I think, and more 1 ounce leader sinker, like $5 at Walmart. And I got a new bait scissor and clean my fish, and I can scale the fish with this. This like $10 at Walmart. This brand is pretty good. I got a fillet knife from it. It's pretty sharp. Stay sharp long. And I got myself a new digital scale so I can weight my fish. So that way I can keep the fish size that I want. Alright. Clean out my cooler. And that's my live bait keeper, and that Magellan 19 quart from Academy. I use it a few times. It doesn't use it that much. I used to use it. It has the two rod holder on the side, good for fishing at the pier. But bank fishing I hardly use it. And here's my bigger cooler, 150 quarts, all cleaned out, ready for fishing. I got like this as my kayak vest, that it has a lot of pocket on it to store your tackle as well. Pretty cool. Also clean my duck boot, and here's my milk crate, all cleaned up as well. Here's my tackle bag. I spray it down, empty everything in it. Here's all the things that I empty out my bag that I need to reorganize. Also I got this new catfish unhook tool today as well. But this Cuda knife is pretty good. Stay sharp. And just plain old box for my tackle. And here's the other rod holder here with my bubble knife and 2.5 gallon bucket. I think 2 gallon bucket from Academy. My fishing net and another cooler. I got two smaller size cooler here as well. Got some bass fishing lure here. This is my fishing rods hanging from the top here. So this is the 3 rods that I normally fish with. I have it velcro together, so when I need to go fishing I just grab the whole thing. Pretty nice and convenient. Recently I got this speaker that's on sale at Sam's for $59.99. Pretty nice unit. Play music like at maximum for a whole day. Battery life is really good on it. And here's my hitch carrier to carry my cooler when I go fishing. Some more fishing supply here. That's the bucket seat, and some of the PVC pipe for holding the rods, my braid fishing line, and here's some of my weight molding. These are the lure for bass fishing. This is 60-pound suffix for my catfish. Got some other fishing line removal from Walmart. Like these are useless, only good for if you're crappie fishing, but for big fishing like redfish and catfish, these are useless. And this too I use to spool my reel lines, and I got a glass here that I need to use more. And I got a poncho. I need to throw it in my fishing bag for emergency use. And I got a vest here for my tackle. Got baby bubbles. Got a couple of these. I think that's pretty much the tour. And these traps for catching blue crabs. Put the bait in here, and there's a bunch of string that when you pull it wrap the fish crab legs. I got these two. Alright guys, also these are the two fishing boot that I use. This Cohan boot is waterproof all the way up here where it connects right here, so the water can go up here. Waterproof, really nice boot. I had a couple years now. Yesterday was raining, so I got a little bit wet, but it's dry now. The other day I fishing completely soaked. This is the new Timberland boot that I have. Pretty good. The grip, a lot of grip here, but I do find it still really slippery when you walk around the bank on concrete. It's okay. If you're gonna get a fishing boot, this is okay, not the best with the grip that I thought, but it's pretty rubberized, but you might get slip walking around the bank. Alright, that's it guys. Hopefully I get back out there and fishing again some days. It's gonna be raining the whole week, last week and this week coming up. So there you guys.